Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made these lovely resin hoops with profusion flowers today. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So yes, hello again and welcome. Here I have prepared my resin already, and these are the 3 hoops, embroidery hoops, that I am going to be filling today. So first thing that I want to do is prepare my resin. So that way, while I'm preparing my embroidery hoops, my resin thickens up a little bit. And I am going to color my resin black, and it's going to be the first layer, and it's going to be as a background. So for my black, I am using Just for You Online UK black jet pigment, and I must say I love it a lot because it does mix very well and you don't need to spend ages to mix it. So here, while I'm waiting for my resin to thicken up, I am going to be preparing my hoops. I am using this sticky sheet. And of course, always try to press well so the sticky sheet and the hoop has better connection, and it's less likely that resin is going to seep under. But I always get some seepage. So now it's the next step to pour the black resin, and I am pouring about 2-3 millimeters. And I try to do it as fast as I can. And after that it's all been poured, I am placing my wood sheet on it, and I am putting some heavy weights on it. So once again, the resin doesn't seep under. And after that, I let the resin cure. So here is the next day, and I have prepared my flowers. These are wildflowers that grow in England everywhere. So I don't know, they remind me a bit of daisies, and I like them a lot. But I have noticed that once they get dry, they become really fragile. So here we go. I am starting to work on the first hoop. I am putting down a little bit of resin that I am calling it the glue so that my flowers stick to it. Because, of course, if you put a lot of resin and then you place flowers in it, the flowers are going to float. So this way I let the resin cure with flowers and they have been attached. And next layer they're gonna stay in place. If you have been enjoying to watch this video, please click a like. That would mean a lot to me. Here I am just finishing up placing my flowers and I am going to cover them and leave once again to cure. I'm usually leaving for 24 hours, but also you can leave a bit less It's your personal preference. And now it's the next day and I am pouring the frames full. This is the third and last layer. And this layer is very important because we want to make sure that it is as clear as can be. So no little hairy bits or no bubbles. And yes, we don't want to rush this part. And I do always come back every 5-10 minutes just to check on it for next hour after I poured it. And to get rid of bubbles, I am using my torch. And I cover again and let it cure. And this is the next day. They've been lovely cured. And it is time to remove the sticky sheet from the back side. And this is the part that I don't like to do very much, but it needs to be done. And this sticky sheet does leave a residue on the back. So I always take 99.9% isopropyl alcohol and with a little bit of force and sponge I clean it well and it's not sticky after that. And that's basically it. Here I have finished them, put the final hoops on, and look at them. I think they are absolutely perfect. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please leave a comment and let me know. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye.